What's up, Top G's? Back out here in Glamis testing. This time we're testing two brand new Funco sand cars. This one right behind me is a FD9, and the black one over there is a F9. This white car right here belongs to one of my buddies. He's in a lot of my older videos. His name is Ali. He's a excellent sand car driver, and this is probably like his 5th or 6th Funco that he's bought. So that just goes to tell you how nice these cars are. He chooses Funco every time. People ask me all the time how much these cars cost or what's the price of them. I don't really know the exact price of these cars here, but I can kind of tell you like a ballpark where they start at. So something like these cars right here, you're probably looking at starting at around $250,000. That's starting. Obviously, you can add more upgrades. You can do a crazier paint job, you can do a carbon fiber body, you can do a crazy engine. I'm sitting in the F9 right now. So these things have two shift levers. One's obviously to shift gears, and the other one's is the turn brake. The turn brake, obviously, when you yank it or push it, it'll lock up one of the back tires so you can kind of drift and turn better. But this thing's sick. Sick car.
Neither micro.
And then one of the other questions people ask me too, other than how much these cost, is how do people afford these? I'd say about, there's a small percentage, obviously. These cars will go over to the Middle East, Dubai, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait. And then the other percentage of people that buy these are people who are here in America. And most of those people are either, successful business owners, or they're just smart with their money. So, owning these cars is definitely doable and possible, because you just see how many of these are out here in Glamis and overseas.
Yeah. It's hard to video on your. I can't see because with my glasses, you have one of those hidden screens. Coming on, they have power and they work.
Hey, yo, Vince, say what up to the G.
Vince?
Yeah, Vince, dude. I've been talking to the G about you, man. He said you need to work on your triceps a little more, man. So when you're doing bench, do a little closer grip next time. Your triceps, dude. You got swole legs, but we gotta get your triceps, man. G.
Yep. New cars come along good.
Cars come along good.
Yeah.
Come out here and test your car soon.
Might be a little much for him.
A little too much for the guy?
Yeah, a little too much power.
That's what I'm saying. He's got all the legs to push the throttle, but he's able to hang on, man.
We'll work on that, Vince.
Yeah, not so much more pickleball. Get back in the gym, back to your roots. I can't talk. We just finished testing these two cars. Just a quick little test sesh.
Quick little test.
And I always say in my videos, the reason why you only see us go back and forth, and the reason why we're not out in the middle of the dunes, is because we're not filming a sand car video here. We're just testing the car's functionality. We know the cars can dune, right, G?
Yeah, and if someone were to break, you don't be out in the middle of the dunes, you know?
Yeah, so I know people will come in,
Function test.
and people always say, oh, they only go back and forth.
Yeah.
We're just testing. We're not. If we're actually filming an actual.
Picture if it was your car, you want someone in the dunes beating it up the whole time, you know?
Yeah, if we were filming an actual sand car video, like someone's paying us to make them a video, then we'd go out in the dunes for a few days.
Yeah, exactly.
Bring Can-Ams and UTVs out, so we go to the middle. But when we're just testing two cars, it's just back and forth, testing the brakes, testing the
batteries, airbags, tires, everything. Anything little that would happen.
But I still know there's gonna be someone. Oh, they only go back and forth. How boring! We're just testing, dude. Chill, okay? Chill. And if you buy a sand car and pay us to come make a video, we'll go out in the dunes for you, all right? Yeah. But yeah, so we just test these real quick. Shout out to Ali Empower. Ali is one of my favorite drivers. Ali, if you're watching this video, when I get my Funco, you're gonna give me lessons, teach me how to drive like you, okay? But other than that, we're gonna go stop by Ramey's. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace out.